Boys, what's up? First off, I'm just gonna say real quick, this video might be a little lightly edited. I gotta go check on my grandpa in a little bit. He's going downhill fast, if you catch what I'm saying. So, hopefully all is good, you know, I'm a little nervous for that, but I gotta get this video out to you guys. Super excited. With that being said, man, back in action. We're back in the frickin' action. It's over 10 seconds. Yeah, I can swear after 10 seconds, I think. It's still gotta bleep it though. Alright boys, so super freaking excited to bring you another one of these videos. I think you guys dig it. I need a comment down below if you guys do. Also, thumbs up always helps. The video is me reacting to things online, bro. I guess it's a little baby's new jewelry collection. Little baby, okay. It sounded weird saying it out loud for a second, but his new jewelry collection, I guess he just dropped a video with Icebox. Whenever I see, and I tell you guys this all the time, whenever I see a bunch of things in my DM telling me to react to the same thing, we gotta do it. So I haven't seen this video yet, bro. I kind of dig how Icebox does their stuff. We'll react real quick. Check out Lil Baby's new jewelry collection or something like that. I'm assuming that's what it is. Somebody said that. You know, time constraints are a little heavy today, you know, with the family situation. So this is the perfect video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get on the freaking computer first, quick, and also quick ad from our favorite people over here. Rose Gold and Black. Boys, by now, if you don't know Rose Gold and Black, I don't know where you've been, bro. I've been wearing it all the time. As you can see, we got a chain right here. I actually got a ring on. I've been wearing this for the past little while, and this I never take off either. Rose Gold and Black, what do? Well, you can check out their website with the link down below. You're gonna get 30% off right there by using that link, and also it helps me out, boys. It makes me look cool. They got jewelry like rings, watches, chains, bracelets, like everything, bro. And the biggest thing with Rose Gold and Black that I dig so much is it's just super low-key, on a real budget, bro. Don't let it get to you where it's like, oh, it's cheap, so it's gonna be cheap feeling. No, it's quality, man. I wear this everywhere. I have my gold bracelet on, but my nephew stole it off me and I just let him keep it. But boys, Rose Gold and Black is just like now becoming a freaking lifestyle. I go out in public and when I meet you guys, it's like you're wearing Rose Gold and Black, aren't you? The jewelry's so sick, bro. It's just super minimal, super low key, and bro, it just gives such a nice vibe. I get more compliments on this damn thing than my $10,000 chain. Kind of pisses me off a little bit, but it's good, I guess. Anyway, boys, if you go shop Rose Gold and Black with the link down below, you'll get another one for free. You see that right there? Yeah, you'll get it for free, bro. So it's like a 2-for-1 deal pretty much with 30% off. Also, if you buy a new product from their website, one of their new releases, and find this chip in your package, they're gonna give you 2 free chains and 2 free bracelets. This being one of them. Anyway, Rose Gold and Black, boys, go check them out. Love these guys to absolute death. They're just putting out quality stuff that you guys are really, really gonna love. Rose Gold and Black, thank you guys so much for sponsoring this again, and thank you guys so much for shopping them. You guys seem to really dig them, which I'm not surprised about. It sounded kind of surprised there, but no, you guys are, yeah, Rose Gold and Black. Alright boys, Alienware achieved. I keep saying it because I spent too much on this computer to not say it. Boys, I love how you guys like my reaction videos. Apparently, you know, I like reacting to things. I think my opinions are like generally really stupid, and I guess that's what people think. So let's check this out. This must be a good video, bro, for you guys to ask me to check it out in his new jewelry, I guess. Let's hop online real quick, incognito mode, and check out Lil Baby's new Icebox video. I actually do dig the Icebox videos a little bit. Sometimes they're a little cringy, but we'll see what we think about this one. I'm gonna give you a play-by-play on my thoughts. How's that sound? Alright boys, we got the screen sharing mode on. Now, I assume this is the video. Some people sent me links. It is the video. It says Lil Baby shares what really happened in Paris. So that doesn't seem like too new of jewelry, but I'm reacting to this for a reason apparently. What happens in Paris? No, what's that? If you know, you know, boys. The Paris Hilton SEXX tape. Yeah, I can't remember what it's called. It was it was a pretty I didn't watch it. Alright, I don't want to ad here, bro. You guys are watching an ad on the ad. Alright.
The world was texting me. They mean DMing me and shit. But I'm like, yeah, I know y'all see me going to jail. They like, you good? You nah, I'm not. Oh
yeah, you went to jail with James Harden, didn't you? That's a basketball player. That's a I gotta get used to cutting the thing while I talk. Alright, Icebox.
To get everything ready right now. You ain't just let me wear the other chain where I'm feeling.
Damn!
But then I have to cut the links off the back.
This one? But do the other chain kind of the bell?
That's a nice. I love that chain, yo.
This one, yeah, no, that
it's
one,
kind of a.
he already got a new fat. We're worried about this.
See, here's the thing, yo. I actually do this regular and don't watch it first, and I feel like a lot of reactions watch it first so they know what to say. I don't even know, so I'm just watching with you guys, bro. I might be ripping off Icebox a little bit by just playing their video in mine, but...
Brian, work some magic, get this in there.
Work some magic, bro. Work some magic, bro. You should be working some magic for $150,000, or what is that? Probably 400. These guys tax, bro. See, one thing I'm kind of stoked about here is like I haven't seen a lot of Lil Baby like talk, so I kind of want to like get a vibe from him and kind of see what I think about him as a person. I think that really matters, you know? The Baby said some dumb stuff the other day, bro. Dude's a little uneducated, you know? I still like his music, but it's my personal opinion, though.
Almost every year I always knew about it.
It's on their calendar, but
See this guy right here? Ratatouille? My bad. Ratatouille over here? I love this guy, bro. He comes off a little dorky, yo, but like in a good way. I mean, my best friend's freaking Ian, you know? So I dig that stuff. I dig people just being a little dorky, but this guy... The last person you'd think would be the face of Icebox. My bad, I got a vape on me. I'm a little stressed out.
So are you the star of the show?
the show.
Wow.
And a lot of people on the show. So did you ever go?
Oh yeah, he's got a show.
As a fan? Yeah, because this is like 22 years. 20, this is 25.
I actually,
It would have been 26. Actually,
Yeah,
already
if it was.
25.
I actually enjoy going there as a fan rather than backstage.
Backstage.
I actually enjoy their going as a fan instead of backstage, but we all know you're backstage. So what they're saying here, I think I actually cut it off a little bit. I'll move that down. Is it sounds like Lil Baby's headlining this, and I think I heard about that. Is why I know. And dude, that's so sick. He used to go as a fan.
Yeah. Oh no.
Right, like,
Let's get on to the chains, though, bro.
Too much like
Yeah, but the
logistics.
show is out.
Yeah, you chugged that water, bro. You chugged that water. That was weird. Look at this guy, a little ratatouille.
Yeah.
I remember that.
You would have never thought back then you'd be the little
Alright, skip. Let's see the chains. See, I skipped. I don't even know who the f we're talking about. Now I gotta edit that.
he's the wave.
Yeah.
I like this guy, man. Oh, he's ordering food. It's weird, bro. I don't eat a lot of food because I'm on like a strict ass diet because I used to be fat and I don't work out anymore because of COVID. So I like hearing what people order.
Two crab fingers.
Two crab fingers. Y'all always eat crab in the States. Yeah, I got a lot of boys from Atlanta. It seems like they're always eating like crab and like the seafood stuff. I don't eat that. I wish I ate more of that. It seems like a big thing down in Atlanta. I think that's where they actually are. Well, yeah.
You want some eat? Let me get another.
Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He's like a big teddy bear, yo. He's like, yeah, give me one of those, yo. Look at how. Look at how stern he looks. Yeah, I definitely want that. I might be a little stoned, but I definitely want that. Look at his face. Oh, what a cutie. What a little sweetheart, this guy. He's like, oh, he licked his, he's like, I want my burger, yo. I want a burger real bad. We got A&W here in Canada. I don't even know if y'all got it in the States, man, but it's the best thing ever. All right.
Filet mignon with mashed potatoes.
That's gangster. You're ordering filet, but why is it well, bro?
That's it.
Medium rare gang, damn, I'll eat it blue rare. More blood the better.
You got spinach? Yes, I do. Let me get mashed spinach.
Blurt out his real name. Imagine this chick, bro. She doesn't even know she's talking to a little baby right now. Get out of here, Ab. Nice. Alright. We got his food order. You comment down below. Would you eat that? I'd eat that any day. We got burger. 2 burgers, mashed. I feel lame for doing this, but I miss food, yo. All I eat is turkey. Damn! See, is that new? That's not new, but I think the WP is new. You can see he's got his whole actual jewelry collection there, so maybe that's what y'all are talking about, but... what it looks like is he's trying to fit the damn thing around, like, so he can, like, layer it, stack it, you know what I mean?
It's like, you can make 1,000, you can make 10,000, you can make 10,000, you can make 100,000.
Bro, words to live by. Okay, I tell people all the time, yo, when they ask me about YouTube, what he's saying is you can make $1,000, you can make 10. You make 10,000, you can make 100. What I always say with YouTube, you get 10 subscribers, you can get 100 subscribers. You get 100 subscribers, you can get 1,000. You get 1,000 and so on. It's just snowball effect, yo. I love that. Look, that's what I freaking live by. The snowball effect of that. You start here, you make it there. It's just...
You gotta be 100 million more than
Hopefully I got that right, but that's what I live by.
I don't got 100 million.
Blah, blah.
I can shoot you. I was like, man, I can't really.
Blah, blah. Oh, damn. That class. Oh no, we're hitting an ad, boys. We're hitting an ad. I'm just gonna talk over it. What do we think about this video so far? I've skipped over all of it so far, but skip. God dang. Yeah, so they're taking off links every time.
I got another shoe joint. I put the other one on there.
What color are you wearing? Your shirt?
Blue. I ain't wearing no shirt. I'm wearing a vest, but I'm gonna take the vest off. The vest is like blowing when I got a picture of it.
I like this guy, man. He just seems chill. Okay, let's skip ahead. We got some guy pulling out racks. I'm assuming that's the guy that went to the bank for him and came back. I don't know. These rich people, man, they got it going on. Blah, blah, blah. Where's the chains, boys?
That was the Indianapolis.
That was the yeah, that was the.
Okay, so you wanted me to react to him talking about stuff. I think I probably skipped through all of it, but I dug that. I dig reacting to you guys. That's a video, I guess, you know, time constraints, yeah. My grandpa's, once again, you know, I gotta, family first, and this was the scheduled date to do my stuff, and oh my god, I think my computer did not save that. Okay, might have to do that again. God dang. Appreciate y'all for watching Merc the Game, the greatest of all time. You all can go, it's blah. Oh no, it's good. It's good. Okay, bye.